Hello people and all the electric board owners out there. Welcome back to my channel, and we are in my garage. For people who've seen my videos before, you know that if there are some sort of packages on the screen, I am up to something. And yes, I am. I've got the packages through the post. These are all the parts that I will need to carry on with my prototype. So what is my new idea? Board, which I do have quite a lot of videos about on my channel. It's quite a nice little board, definitely for commuting.
Here for the circle and district line.
And for fun as well. The one thing that this board does not have is a chance of having the Ruff Stuff Wheels on. The pure reason is that the distance between the wheel and the deck is too short, and the deck is quite wide. Hence why they already have the cutouts in the deck, as you can see, and this is only to accommodate for the 83mm wheels. So what I thought was, why not to come up with a prototype or a fixing or a spacer, so we could raise the deck and instead of the 83mm wheel, install the fat and off-road, absolutely gorgeous Ruff Stuff wheel onto a mini e-board. So guys, in order to have the Ruff Stuff wheels on your mini e-board, what we need to do is raise the deck higher away from the wheel. So when the larger wheel is installed, it does not affect the deck and the performance. What I come up with is a solution for it, and I've made a prototype spacers which are made out of really hard plastic. These are actually leveling shims, but they are made of very hard plastic, and this is what I'm going to use to lift the deck away from the trucks. In order to start with the prototype, what you will need to do is you need to take the trucks off the deck, or the deck off the trucks, whatever way you want to put it. In order to do so, you will need an Allen key, which is a 1/8 Allen key. I'm going to be using a snap-on ratchet. You will also need a 3/8 spanner, just like that. You will not be able to use this side of it, but an open side of it you will. For whatever reason, the fixings on this board are not metric. So what you need to do is you catch the nut underneath with the spanner, and then with the Allen key loosen up the screws. Just like that. And the same for the front. The idea was, the Ruff Stuff wheel is 110mm. The wheel that comes with the mini e-board is 83. So we need to make up the difference and raise the deck by exactly the amount that is difference between them two, which is about 30mm. So After you've taken the trucks off the board, what you will have is the trucks themselves and the rubber gasket that goes between the deck and the trucks. Using the gasket, this rubber gasket, or the trucks themselves, what you need to do is make a template just by getting cardboard and drawing around the trucks. You will also mark out the holes that you will need for your screws, and then find yourself some durable plastic. The reason why plastic is because obviously it's not going to be afraid of any water, and cut out exactly the same shape using a jigsaw. Then using a drill through the holes. The holes need to match the screws that were originally in the board. You will not be able to use the original bolts, you will need them longer. So whatever 31 millimeters, so you need the bolt longer by 30 mil. So you need a bolt of 60 millimeters to do this job. And this is what I've got. So let's test if the wheels will catch after being raised. So as you can see, we've got the Ruff Stuff Wheels on a mini e-board, and let's try to turn the wheel as much as we can. I'm applying my whole weight onto the board. I cannot apply any more and it's fine. And from the front, so guys, 20 millimeter raise. That's all we needed. So I didn't have to use the 30 millimeters worth of spaces, only 2 spaces, 10 mil each, back and front. And as you can see, Ruff Stuff wheels are on the mini e-board. Perfect.